We make the strings louder.
Guys, guess what's inside this box? It's from Band-Aid Dose. I got these goodies from Banditos. So, says, hi Bandito, right off the bat. Thank you for being a valuable partner of Bandito Pit Stop. We are grateful for your interest and participation in our community building initiative. Here is a small token for our gratitude. We hope this goodie bag brings a smile to your face. Definitely got a smile. This is not just a thank you note, but also a personal invitation. We would love to host you at our store in Thrissur when you come riding to town. We hope to see you soon and grab a cup of coffee with you talking about all things riding. Thank you Banditos and Mushid Banditos bro. Thank you. What I got here is gloves. This better for a dirt helmet, motocross helmet. Yeah, this keychain. VR46, the doctor. The stickers from Banditos. Chain lube, chain cleaner, and this is chain cleaner, brush, and this is microfiber cloth. Thank you Banditos. That's it. Thank you.